welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike and this is Triple T Acres, and man, I feel like I'm always in the garage when I start these videos out, but I guess that's where I'm at most of the time. I'm super excited about the video today. I am taking my tractor into the shop, and it's not because there's anything wrong with it. We are going to get something installed on the front of the tractor that I believe is a game changer, and you're going to want to stick around to see it. We're going to get the tractor loaded up on the trailer and get going down the road. We're going to Foltz Ag and Equipment in Lancaster, Ohio. Stick around, you're going to want to see this. All right, guys, it's been a couple days since we dropped the tractor off, and I just got a text from Foltz Ag, and they said the tractor's ready for me to come get. So let's go get this thing. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. All right, guys, this is what we had done to the tractor. We've got a lane shark connected. They put all new hydraulic lines on here, and I already had the third function, and all they had to do is add this button right here. So I normally would use my grapple intermittently here. They added this button here that when I press it in, it lets the hydraulics flow constantly. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up. All right, we made her home. Time to get this thing off and put it to work. All right, everybody, we have it here in the barn, and we're gonna get this thing in position to work. The position we're gonna put it in today is at a 90-degree angle. We're going to be cutting back a field edge that has lots of multiflora rows and saplings that are sticking out, that are annoying, to keep hooking on us as we're taking the four-wheeler and the side-by-side and whatnot through there. So I'm gonna set this thing up. We're gonna pull the arms up in the air and dangle it down. That is the way you're supposed to do it. The lane shark is actually pretty heavy, but when you dangle it, you take all the weight off of it and allow the arms to hold on to it. Stick around, we're gonna get this thing in position. There we go. Now it's on here. Fence line is going to be run on this side. It should be out of the way. We should be able to cut it pretty good. So let's get out there and see what this thing does. All right, guys, we are out here at the field edge, and this is the ideal situation to use this in. So as you can look down this lane, I have all this stuff hanging over into my lane when we ride our four-wheelers and ATVs and tractor through. We got the lane shark hooked up here. I'm gonna set the camera up, and we're gonna try to trim this thing back and give us a nice wide lane. I'll tell you what, this thing is exceeding my expectations. This is awesome. Check this lane out. Look how wide we made this path. So nice. I can still reach up in here that I'm gonna clip to keep it off of us. So man, super happy with this product so far. So let's keep going. right, this lane is cleared. So awesome, man. I hope that the video footage portrayed what actually happened here. I mean, it is night and day. How handy of a tool. Heck yeah. Much wider, nothing reaching out. Everything up above is higher than the tractor's rollover protection. Yeah, we just made ourselves an awesome road with the Lane Shark. All right, guys, what do you think of the Lane Shark? Do you think it is awesome? Do you think that it sucks? Do you think it's worth purchasing? You tell me, put it in the comments. But if you do think it's worth purchasing, like I do, there's a link going to be in the description. Foltz Ag out of Lancaster sells these things. They were gracious enough to loan this. I've got more projects on the property that I plan to record and show you guys how versatile this thing is. It can go offset, it can go sideways, it can go in front. So you're gonna wanna stick around to see more videos on the Lane Shark. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later.